Get comfortable. Find a safe space. And when you're ready to take deep control of your emotions, and when you're ready to be hypnotized, take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, allow your eyes to close. Close your eyes. Focus on the muscles around your eyes, those tiny muscles around your eyes. Get a sense of them completely relaxing. Relaxing so they just won't work. Your eyes relax completely. Imagine that happening as you listen to my voice. And when you realize your eyes are so relaxed, they just don't work, there's nothing you can do about that. You can test them to find them completely locked just for a while. Now just relax even more. Now have that experience of drifting out and up of your body. Imagine and get a sense of yourself leaving your body in that chair, and get a sense of all that happening. Get a sense you're drifting higher and higher. Imagine you're drifting so high that you look down and you can see the planet Earth below. You see that beautiful blue Earth below, planet Earth below, the whites of the clouds, the tops of the mountains, green of the forest, the blue of the ocean. You now see a new perspective. Things that seem overwhelming have no power over you. Get a sense of that incredible planet below you. Now in your mind's eye, set a target, like an archery target. A massive target way down below. You see the bullseye. Now at the center of that target is every negative emotion that has ever held you back. Pain, anger, malice, jealousy, frustration. Every ounce of those negative emotions that we've been a slave to up until now is in the center of that target. Now in a moment I'll make this sound. Swoosh. And the moment I make this sound, you'll be shot straight like an arrow to the center of that target. Straight out the other side in a millisecond into a space of bliss. And as you go through the target, every ounce of those negative emotions will be wiped from your body and mind, and you will enter a space of neutral emotion. It will be a weird feeling, but in neutral, you will make the right decisions, you will take the right actions, you will get the right outcome. This is the last time that these negative emotions are ever going to have any control over you. Now be brave. This is the last time you'll be a slave to those emotions. Be brave. Get ready. Now you are on the other side, drifting in a state of neutral bliss. In a moment, I'll snap my fingers once. The sound of me snapping my fingers will anchor that feeling of neutral. As you're drifting in that space of neutral, from today, whenever it's necessary, when you want to get back to that state of neutral, just snap your fingers once and you'll instantly go back to this state, incredibly feeling neutral. You think straight, you make the right decisions, take the right actions, get the right outcome. From today, whenever you want to get to that state, just snap your fingers once. Now float back out, up until you see that target. See the colored bands way down below. You see the bullseye. Now at the center of that target is every positive emotion, joy, passion, pleasure, fun. At the center of the target. And in a moment, I'll make this sound. Swoosh. And the moment I make this sound, you'll be shot straight like an arrow to the center of the target. Now this time, as I make that sound, as you go through the center, through the target, your mind and body is going to be flooded with the most incredible, intense feelings of joy and pleasure, love and passion. Your mind and body will be flooded with that feeling, and you'll enter into a space where that feeling is flooding your body. Get ready. You'll be shot like an arrow straight through that target into that space of total bliss. Get ready. Swoosh. Now you're in that space. Feel that space. Feel the love, joy, freedom, pleasure, and passion. Now, as you experience that space, I'll snap my fingers quickly and I'll ramp up that feeling. It's going to get stronger and stronger as you hear the sound of my fingers snapping twice. The feeling will get stronger and stronger, and whenever you want to ramp up really feeling good, feeling joy, love, passion, and pleasure, just snap your fingers twice quickly. From today, whenever you want to ramp up a positive emotion, just snap your fingers twice, instantly ramp those feelings up. And in a moment, I'll count to 5. And from today, you will have complete control. Anytime you want to get to neutral, to make a decision, just snap your fingers once. If you want to ramp your feelings up, just snap your fingers twice instantly. And now, I'll count to 5. 1, 2, 3, eyes opening. 4, eyes open. 5, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake.